If you want to collect data from more than one pages and actually paginate through different pages, we're gonna use a paginate action. Let me show you how. First, I'm gonna create some extract action to extract some data like title and these prices. And then I'm gonna use paginate action, and I'm gonna be in the selection mode automatically. And so I'm gonna select this next button, confirm. After that, I need to create a loop so Automatio can know what to do when he clicks the next page. So in order to do that, as you can see, when I put a mouse over here, the cursor changed the hand. So I'm just gonna drag and drop till the first extract action, and that's how I'm gonna create the loop. You can see this arrow. So how this gonna work? Automatio gonna start with this page. You're gonna extract this data. You're gonna click next button, and then you're gonna again extract this data, and then you're gonna again click next button, depending on how many pages we put here. So in this example, I'm gonna put 3 pages. And let's start this create this instance and see how it works. Okay, let me navigate now to the dashboard page. You have instance running. If I go to logs, let's see, it's navigating, it's extracting 16 rows of data already. Now it's paginating to page 2 and extracting 32 rows of data, and paginating to page 3 and extracting the rest of the data. So as you can see, it's successfully extracted the data from multiple pages. Now, there's a different um, types of pagination. We simplified this process, and inside the standard pagination, we put all kind of different scenarios, like there is a lot more Ajax and bunch of more which I don't want to mention right now. But there is an infinity pagination, the one where you scroll, when you just scroll and collect the website loads more data. So in this example over here, we have infinity. So I'm gonna show you. So once again, let's just mark some data to extract, and I'm gonna use paginate action again. As you can see, how I'm scrolling, it's loading more data. So now I'm gonna use paginate action once again, but instead of standard, I'm gonna use infinity. Since we're using infinity, there is no selector to select to click on the next button and so on, because you just need to scroll, right? And we have this built-in mechanism over here. So once again, I'll create a loop, which is really important. Don't forget that. And I can gonna say, hey, go and collect me data from 5 pages. So let's see how this is gonna work. Click create and run. Go back to the dashboard. This is the latest instance we created. It's running. Let's go to logs and see. It's extracted already for first page. Now it's gonna scroll, as you can see. Paginate infinity, page count, extracting more data. Now extracting from page 3, scrolling, and so on. So this is how you can use paginate action to basically extract data from more than one pages. As you can see over here, there's an additional option, click by text, which can be used sometimes when the pagination button fail. You can say, hey, click on this element which have a text inside next, and you're gonna click, because sometimes the CSS selectors which this clicking is based on might fail because the website can be tricky, either with purpose on purpose or not. They can dynamically change the selectors, which might make this fail. So this is how paginate action works.